Hey guys, Harmeet here from Photo Insomnia, and today I wanted to talk to you about Plotagraph. It's an app that I've been using for quite some time. I did a video on this earlier, and since then the company has updated the app quite a lot. It's added a lot more functionality, a lot more features on this app. So what I wanted to do is take you through those features. Some of these effects and features are additional paid features, so you have to either buy them outright or go on a monthly plan, up to you what you want to do. But I'm going to show you how you can use those features to add more unique looks and cool effects to your final images. So let's get started. Open the app. It asks you what you want to do, Plotaverse or Plotagraph Plus. Plotaverse, I guess, is the community interface. So here you can see the effects library, you can see some of the animations people have created and uploaded. You can obviously sign in and upload yours, but for me, most of the time I'm only going to be creating them and uploading them on social media and sharing them with friends. So let's look at this image here from Hobart, off the Hobart Harbor. I've already taken some time to animate this image. It's probably needs some fine-tuning, but for the purpose of this demonstration we'll go ahead with it. This is the final result. So the way you add these additional effects on top of the original animation is going to this effects overlay, and here you can choose from a series of effects that are available. Some of these are free effects, others you have to basically go and subscribe to their service, and then you're able to download some of these newer effects that you can use. Let's download this Future Woman one, see what that does. Colored dust. Depending on what you're wanting to create, you can obviously use certain animations and certain effects in certain scenarios, not all of course. So let's try adding this one here in our image. Okay, so this woman appears and disappears, and I can pinch to zoom in and resize that. And I can tap and move to realign it. Yeah, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. I don't mind that. And if you're wanting to delete any of these effects, so here I don't want these sparkles in, so just hit delete and that gets deleted. And this effect there, if you want to add another, so let's say we remove this woman from the image, let's add these color bursts. Cool, but the image has already very nice colors, so doesn't really add anything to it in terms of effects and coolness. What about this dust? Yeah, okay, that could be interesting again. Yeah, I could see some cases where I could use this. Not in this image though. So the only interesting one I think I'd like to add is this. And again, it takes up too much space, so I'm going to shrink the size down even further, and then I'm just going to drag it back here. There we go. So that looks pretty cool. You got the sky animated, you got the water moving at the bottom there, and then obviously you've got the snow coming into the image as well, the snowflakes falling. Kind of gives it the snowing kind of feel. And when you're done, you basically finish that up, hit share and save it to your photos. You can obviously do the same as before. You could upload it to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, send it to your friend and so on. So the image is saved. Some of the other cool things they've added is obviously the ability to edit this image, so you can adjust the brightness, exposure, contrast, saturation. Again, dial it down, dial it up. Crazy. This image is very nicely saturated as it is, so I won't really adjust any of these settings. and then the rest of the effects are the same. So that is it for Plotaverse / Plotagraph Plus. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the final animated image using some of the newer features from Plotagraph Plus, also now called Plotaverse. So if you want to download this app, look for Plotaverse and you will be able to find it in the App Store. Thanks for tuning into this video. I hope you found some of these functionalities and features useful. So have fun creating these plotographs, and be sure to subscribe to this channel where you'll find some more tips and tricks coming up in the upcoming videos. For today, I'm heading off to Vivid, so the next video that I'll be sharing on this channel will be from Vivid. I'll be heading out this evening to take some photos. The weather's pretty cloudy, it's going to rain, so hopefully that will give me some nice cool reflections on various different surfaces, and I'll be able to produce some nice photos for you guys and also create some nice videos for you guys to enjoy. So thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.